Welcome back, guys. In this session we are going to make logic how to print star patterns. Okay, so now here I have stars, one row I have, and here I have 10 columns. Okay, so this is a I'm going to first create a class, Java class called as patterns. So in this, first make the main function. Okay, that is public static void main. Now any pattern you have, first thing what you are going to do is make a box around it. Okay, and on the left side, okay, just name it as I. Okay, so I will represent a number of rows. Okay, and on top of this just write down all the numbers, and we will keep that index values as j. Okay, now I have one row and 10 columns. Okay, so here in the main function, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my loop like this. So I loop only runs one time because I have only one row. Okay, so I'll write it here in comments saying that I stands for number of rows. Okay, and j stands for number of columns. Now here write down the I loop. I loop should start with 1 itself. Okay, and only one time it has to run. Okay, because we have only one row. So I will write here for integer I, you start from 1, I should be less than or equal to 1 itself. Okay, then I plus plus, come outside. Okay, now inside this I loop, okay, I'm going to run a j loop, means the loop for the columns. So for integer j is equal to, that also starts from 1 because here the starting index we have kept it as 1. Okay, now j should be less than or equal to 10 and j plus plus. In this j loop, okay, we are going to print stars. So I'm going to say system dot out dot println. Okay, but this time I'm not going to use ln, I'm just going to say print, and in the parenthesis in double quotes I'm going to give this star. Okay, once when this j loop has ended, okay, then this is where the j loop is going to end. There you give system dot out dot println. Okay, it will come to the next line. The control of the program will come to the next line. Okay, now let us run this patterns. Okay, see guys, here I have got one row and 10 columns in which we are printing stars. Let me just like this. So this is how you are going to make pattern programs. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. In the next video I'm going to be doing many advanced star patterns. Okay, one by one we'll start. Okay.